హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పటి వరకు ఎవరైతే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోలేదో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. Today we have to learn small letters, how to write small letters in 4 lines. First look here, A. First write O and then write K. This is A. Next B. C in middle 2 lines only. Next D. Standing line in first 3 lines. Right curve in middle 2 lines. E always write in middle 2 lines. F write in first 3 lines. G write in last 3 lines. H also write in first 3 lines. I in middle 2 lines only. J last 3 lines. K first 3 lines. L also first 3 lines. M middle 2 lines. N also in middle 2 lines. O also in middle 2 lines. P last 3 lines. P in last 3 lines. Q also in last 3 lines. R in middle 2 lines. S also in middle 2 lines. T in first 3 lines. Write 3 in. U in middle 2 lines. V also in middle 2 lines. W also in middle 2 lines. X also in middle 2 lines. Y in last 3 lines. Z in middle 2 lines. Look carefully and be practice friends. Please subscribe to my channel friends. Thank you.